What's going on, guys? Thank you for tuning in today's video. Last video was installing the long tube headers, and I didn't really record how the car sounded except for just the first startup. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna record a cold start right now and then show you guys how it sounds inside the car and maybe some flybys. And yeah, let me record the cold start right now. Does have drone right now just because one of the clamps got loose, so I do need to fix that so I could give you an accurate reading on how it sounds. But it only happens when it's on a low RPM, and yeah, this is how it sounds building up to 40 miles per hour. Sounds good. I could still talk normally, but it does have a little bit of drone on the low RPM side. And I'll show you guys how it sounds with windows down. So overall it's not too bad, except for that. It's not too bad of noise. You can still hear yourself and talk to anybody else in the passenger seat. This is how it sounds driving, cruising at 45 or 40 miles per hour with the windows down. Really quiet, but I think for the most part it's quiet just because my car is automatic and it's not high on the RPMs. Like if it was manual, someone might shift like at 2,500, 3,000 RPMs, but it shifts really quick because of automatic. Shifts like at 1,500, but this is cruising right now about 50 miles per hour. Not too bad, except for when you punch it, but I think there might be a cop behind me, so I'm not gonna punch it right now. Overall, I like how it's quiet when I'm not punching it, so it's very, what could I call it, dailyable. I could daily drive it without it being obnoxious and not too much attention for cops to pull me over just for I don't know, if I'm just cruising. But unless I was to punch it, then it's crazy loud. So I can make it loud when I want, quiet when I want. It's just about the throttle, however much RPM you want to give it.